Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio and I'm going to teach you another tutorial on how to make a customized flooring pattern in Revit. In the last video tutorial, we discussed about how you will assign different materials in different parts of the floor, how you will create different floors for different rooms of the building, spaces, corridors and any other parts. So in this today tutorial we'll discuss about how we'll create customized flooring patterns. So if you want to make some decorative patterns for your floor, like this one flooring and some geometrical floor plans or simple tile floor patterns. So for creating this, you have to go step by step in Revit floor command, and today I am going to discuss how you will make patterns like suppose I am going to make pattern. If you want to make pattern like this, how you will do in Revit, and some pattern like this how we'll make in our own customized patterns in Revit. So let us begin. You have what you have to do. You have to go to this floor architectural, and you have to make create first floors. You can take any other flooring shapes in this, like steel bar, generic and generic 12 inch. I am selecting this floor generic 12 inch, and I will teach you how you will create pattern like this simple pattern I have selected from Google, and I will discuss how we will create pattern like this. This is marble flooring pattern, so I am going to create almost similar like this in Revit. So let us begin this. So let's go. I'm going to my floor command, and I'm going to select this floor architectural, and I'm going to create one floor. So we will create one floor. So I'm going to select this line, and I'm going to take this one as 50 feet length, and width also I will take 50 feet, and I am going to create one square shape floor. You can also use this rectangle command to quickly create this floor. So I'm going to finish this floor, and I'm going to my default 3D view. So this is the floor which we have created just now, and now I am supposed to make patterns like this. So what you have to do, you have to just select this floor, and after this you have to go to this create panel, and you have to go and select this create parts from the layers or subcomponents of the selected element. So for creating patterns, so first you have to divide floors in parts, and then you have to select divide parts. So first I'm going to select this create parts. So now our floor is in parts, and after this if you select this create parts, this will appear divide parts. So consecutively you have to select this divide parts, and after selecting divide parts you have to go and select this edit sketch. Means edit sketch is for creating your shapes and patterns, whatever your plan in floors. So I am going to select this edit sketch, and after this edit sketch I am going to draw patterns like this. So how I will do this, I will go to this level 1, and first you have to cross verify that if you have correctly divided in parts and created parts in floors, this dash line will appear. So now I am going to draw patterns. uh, so I am going to select this line, and I'm going to draw some roughly to make you understand. Quickly drawing this shape. After this I'm going to select this line command, and I'm going to draw any square shape, and after this I'm going to select all of this, and by control tab on my keyboard I am going to mirror this by mirror command, and you can you have to first select this by control, and now I will draw mirror of this, and you can move this inwards, and again I will go and control and select this one, all of this, and I am going to draw mirror of this. So now this is the shape which is almost similar, and draw some square shape in between, because I am drawing some shapes like this. Okay, and you can also draw some other shapes like in between. This is just to make you understand about how you make patterns in floor. So suppose this is almost similar to this image, and I'm going to finish this. Now you have to go to your 3D view to see your pattern. So now our pattern has been created. So what I will do, I will go and apply different materials in this. So I'm going to select this, and this one to select for this, and control this one, control this one, control this one. So I'm going to suppose apply some material. So we have to go to this properties, and you have to go just down, and you have to select this material by original. So material by original, to apply materials you have to uncheck this first. I'm going to and uncheck this, and the material default floor you have to click once here, and now you have to create another material. So I am going to this material browser, I am going to create new material. I am going to rename this as black gray marble, and after this I am going to this asset browser, and I am going to search for marble, and I am going to select this dark gray blue square, and I am quickly applying this. So now you are seeing this material has been changed here, dark marble, gray marble, and after this I am going to select all of this, my control tab, control, 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 and control, and I'm going to properties again, material by origin you have to uncheck this, material default floor you have to click once, and you have to create another material, and I'm going to rename this white marble, white marble, and you have to go to asset browser then, and you have to again search for marble, and I'm going to select this white marble, apply, okay, apply. So that's it. You have applied different materials, you created different patterns in floors by using parts tool, and after selecting parts you have to divide, use divide tool, and your flow you can, after that you have to go to edit sketch and create different patterns. You can take any other floral patterns also, and you can create your own customized flooring pattern. So this was the easy tutorial, and in the next video tutorial we'll discuss about other topics. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks, bye bye.